All right, guys, let's talk about the latest crypto news. Bitcoin is digging deeper into a resistance area. We're seeing Bitcoin move back to about 67,000 and change. All major alts are moving back as well, just a little bit. This is not any kind of a major decline. You can see right now, crypto's down 0.35. We're at 2,320,000,000,000. We hit 370 billion, so we've given up a little bit there in the last couple of days. But as I mentioned, Bitcoin 67.1, Ethereum 2600, 1.8% back. But you can see kind of overall, Solana is the outlier, up 2%, XRP down 2, Tron, again, flat and or down just a little bit. You can see right here. Avalanche down up 0.25, rather, excuse me, Shiba Inu down. But Chainlink, there you go, up 3.9. So a little bit of a mixed bag, but really, I think it's a big part of this. Bitcoin is digging deeper into previous resistance area, the red. You can see right here, kind of this is the green circle where we're at right now. So this is a previous resistance area. You can see that. And so Bitcoin's kind of moving into that. You can see that, and which may soon turn into support. That's the key. You'll notice it's kind of been a resistance level, and this would be our new support level as we move up. Successful retest here would precede a reversal into the $70,000 range. Also, kind of looking at Bitcoin and all of crypto, a kind of looking at a peak timeline for Bitcoin to hit 150 to 175,000. Look, yes, I know I'm talking about Bitcoin, but remember, we're also, when I say Bitcoin, I'm also really talking about the entire crypto market. Because if Bitcoin goes to 150, not if, when, excuse me, you're going to see all major cryptos, including Ethereum, everything, Tron, XRP, Doge, Solana, Toncoin, Cardano, Avalanche, SHIB, Chainlink, everything's going to move up dramatically with it. Okay, so if you look at that, Bitcoin going to say 100 and what is it, 135,000? Don't do math in public. Would be a double market cap, so 2.6 trillion market cap. That's not that hard for Bitcoin to do ultimately with time and knowing where we're at. So kind of the timeline for achieving this is one that I've talked about many, many times. We could see the potential cycle peaking in April of 2025, followed by significant altcoin rallies, eventual retracement. Again, hitting that 150 to 175,000, probably peaking around that April, March timeframe, and then some ebbs and flows. And then we know once that Bitcoin goes up and hits that 150 to 175,000, there will be a pullback. Bitcoin does this historically all the time. It always does very similar things. In fact, there was a chart here that I use all the time, like this one right here. This is a great looking, excuse me, apologize, didn't mean to do that. So kind of looking at that, okay, that's taking me out there. So you see this chart right here where Bitcoin goes up and pulls back, kind of goes up, pulls back. That's really what I'm trying to say, right? That's just I needed to kind of give you a visual reference point for that. Okay, so that's where we're at right now. Again, not a lot of movement going on right now. Crypto is just kind of doing it's a little bit of a pullback / consolidation period. You can kind of see it right here where Bitcoin had this run up right here from there to there. That's about a 12% move up. But then if you kind of see like right here, you kind of see we've got a little bit of a line going right there, and then kind of right there. So you can see kind of I got a little bit of consolidating starting to happen there, right? And that's to be expected. This is our new level. And then going back to that initial chart that we were talking about at the top of the video, this would basically be our new support line moving up from here, moving up. And you can kind of get just a different view of that new support level moving up, kind of similar to we saw here. We moved from 61.7 and change in that kind of general, 60 from 60,000 to 63,000. We consolidated. We had this move up. That's about a 12, 13% move up. And now we're seeing Bitcoin consolidate here to kind of start to move back up even more. Okay. So as always, appreciate you giving me a few minutes. By the way, that is my software giving you those buy and sell alerts. That's my trading indicator. Links in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube, or it's above me if you're watching this over on X if you want to give it a look. 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee, and it costs about $1 a day with a discount code down there. All right. So I'll see you. Have a good one. Bye.